Hello and welcome to another Razertip product video. Today we're going to look at the Razertip SE Pyrography Wood Burning Kit, a kit with a variety of items to get people started. Let's dive in and see what's included. Alright, so Razertip has offered various kits over the years with different pen configurations and accessories to allow easier decision making when getting started. So we created the SE kit to do the same thing. It's got a machine, a pen, some tips, things that kind of are common and standard practice to get projects going. There's a lot of different things in here. We also included a guide to burning we put together with several very talented artists and projects that are on the outside of the packaging. But the book, the guide, covers these things. Let's take a look inside, up close at the items, as well as the book, and flip through some pages. All right, here's everything included in the kit, starting with the SE machine itself. Very similar to the Razertip SK, slightly different output, but single pen function on-off heat settings. The pen cord to connect it all together to the interchangeable tip pen. This tip is included in the pen, and then there are 5 other tips included as well with the kit. Number 8, burnishing tip for lines and shading and some thicker detail. And number 9, writing tip for writing and drawing. And number 5, medium spear shader for filling in shapes and gaps, shading in general, as well as you can stamp it with shapes for a tile effect. A number 14M knife tip for sharp, fine detail, hair, and lines. And a number 99 ball tip for dots, pointillism, as well as writing and drawing. These tips are changed out with a screwdriver and screw and a brass brush to keep everything clean. You can check out the BPH video on how to do all of that, and there's a video on cord and pen connection. You can check out that as well to hook all this up together, as well as the book. This is a guide to burning. Several projects in here from very talented artists that we worked with to get some great techniques. Let's take a look at the book. Over 100 pages on different topics, what tools to select, how to use them, different accessories you can get, different tips, very basic techniques to start out practicing, all kinds of different suggestions, as well as some of the projects that we go through. Lots of projects, lots of helpful hints, and there's a whole bunch of patterns and kind of reference material in the back to go through. This book is available in the kit. It's also available as a separate purchase, book only or downloadable PDF if you're interested. If you already have a machine and you want to get some information on techniques. And that is the overview of the Razertip SE kit and everything that's included with it. This kit is a great option for beginners as well as veteran pyrographers. It also makes a great gift for people starting out. There are pen packs available that we sell to expand the kit. They're fixed tip pens that can be used on the SE kit as well as any other Razertip machine. That's it. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and also check out our website, razertip.com. We'll see you around.